Salad of the day is this colorful platter of fresh and semi-cooked vegetables. I would like to call this a rainbow salad. To start with, I am adding some sliced purple cabbage along with some lettuce, some shredded carrot, pan-fried mushrooms, pan-fried yellow squash, some sliced tomatoes, and some steamed broccoli and cauliflower. And I'm also adding some roasted capsicum. Now for the salad dressing, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil along with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add a hard-boiled egg sliced into the salad. Add your salad dressing just before serving. If you like this salad recipe, try it and let me know your feedback. See you soon with another salad recipe. Bye.